Come take a look at this certified pre-owned 2008 GMC Sierra 2500 SLE2. Carfax has certified this Sierra 2500 as having one owner. This Sierra 2500 has just under 21,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city and 18 on the highway. This Sierra 2500 boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, leather steering wheel and fog lights. Call 888-679-4719 or email Art Friendly Sales Staff today to schedule a test drive.